Jamaican born man shot while on phone with his sister in New York and succumbed to his injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican man who was on his way to visit his mother was shot dead by unknown assailants in Brooklyn, New York on the weekend. The deceased has been identified as Donovan Davey, age 45, an employee of the Transportation Security Administration who worked as a transport security officer at the John F. Kennedy Airport for 17 years. Family members told New York Daily News that he was born in Jamaica but migrated to New York City when he was a youngster. It is reported that at about 12:20 a.m. on Sunday, David was walking along the roadway after he finished working late Saturday night. While walking, he was on his phone with his sister. He was pounced upon by an unknown assailant who opened fire, hit him in the neck and leg on the street near East Flatbush. In an interview with an international media source, David's sister recounts the moment when she heard the gunshots while talking with him on the cell phone. "I heard 3 shots and I was calling his name, but he was not responding at all. I just couldn't believe it. I heard my brother die over the phone," she said in an interview. The police have not yet established no motive for this latest homicide and have not yet established a motive for this latest homicide within the area. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.